Good morning, Tokushima. Ohayo gozaimasu. Hisashiburi. It's been forever. It's Sean with Ride Tokushima, and we're back on the road. Today, I'm at Bunko no Mori Cultural Park. This park is kind of a little bit farther out from Tokushima, the city. You can actually see Mount Bizan over there. The great thing about this place is that there is parking that's open super early and open super late. I don't think the gate closes, and you can still park here and ride from here and come back. About the park area, we have the library behind me. We also have the Prefectural Museum, and also there's another Tori Ryuzu Memorial Museum, a modern art museum, the Prefectural Archives, which are in the library, and also the 21st Century Cultural Information Center. There's a lot going on here. It's a wonderful park to explore too. So today we're going to head out to Sanagouchi and Kamiyama to explore those country roads of Tokushima. Join me on the ride. Let's go. Heading out to Sanagouchi and Kamiyama, you can tell it gets a little confusing. The route to Kamiyama is actually a full loop. You can take the 438 or the 208. Today we're taking the 438 and going straight out to Sanagouchi and then Kamiyama and back on the 208. As we leave Tokushima, the road here hooks to the right, and then up there we'll take a left at the turn, heading out to Sanagouchi and Kamiyama, crossing this cute little bridge and this wonderful little river. When you cross, make sure to look to the left and see that wonderful view that you're about to go right out to. Let's go. This is one of my favorite parts of the ride, this curve going out to Sanagouchi. From here you can see where you came from if you get a quick glance back there, and where you're going out to the countryside of Tokushima. Huge curve. You can get high speeds on this and just enjoy. Let's go. This is where the magic begins. From here, we're gonna hook to the right on the 438 towards Kamiyama, Sanagouchi, and Tsurugi. Now, when you get through here, it's gonna be a quick little downhill, some rollers, but then it's gonna open up to the Sanagouchi Valley and you'll see wonderful mountains in the background. Look at this view. This is Sanagouchi, Tokushima. It's absolutely incredible. We got mountains in the distance, great farm and rice fields, and old country houses everywhere. Let's keep riding on this road. We're gonna stop at the convenience store while enjoying some of these mountain views. And we've made it to the Sanagouchi convenience store. This used to be Sanagouchi Sanks, but now it is a family mart. This is open 24 hours a day. Great place to get food, get water, charge your devices, and enjoy the views around us. As we leave Sanagouchi, we have two ways to get there. Go straight through the tunnel, which will be a little narrow and loud, or take a right through Funo Pass, which will give you a great view of the whole valley. I recommend going to the right. Let's go. All right, here we are, heading up the Funo Toge. Take the right, and away we go. Here we are, heading up the Funo Pass. Look at the tree-covered canopies on this route. It's just great. Wonderful day to ride out here. If you know the view behind me, you know we're at the top of the Funo Pass and we've made it to the top of Sanagouchi. If you go through that tunnel, you'll get to Kamiyama, covered with tree chop canopies. But we're not here for that view. We're here for this view. There is your reward. A great view of the Sanagouchi Valley from the edge of Kamiyama and Tokushima. It's just incredible. So from here, it's up to you what you want to do. You can go further out to Kamiyama, or you can head back down and enjoy the wonderful downhill back into the valley and head back into Tokushima. I just want to thank all of you for watching this small adventure to Sanagouchi. If you want to come out and ride, please do. I hope these videos motivate you to come out to Japan and explore. I hope it's Tokushima. If not, that's fine. Again, my name is Sean. I'm here in Tokushima, Japan. This is Ride Tokushima. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road, guys. Hey everybody, this is a small preview for next time when we ride together. This is Kamiyama, Tokushima. Right after the Funo Pass, you go through the tunnel, and you're greeted with this wonderful canopied covered road that will drop you into the countryside.